Welcome to my video. Do you like a charting program just like this one where you can do 100 different features, you can have 1,000 different colors, you can change your bars up to any color you want, you can have your background anything you want. The coolest thing about it is it's absolutely free. Be sure to check out the links in my description right away or after this video. Enjoy the video. What's going on, traders? Today we're going to be talking about CHK on the stock ticker, Chesapeake Energy. After looking into the news events for this stock, we can see over here on September 10th at about 7:30 in the morning, Chesapeake Energy stock falls after issuing 250.7 million common shares in exchange for debt preferred stock. And you can see right here it did drop, did recover in after hours, we can see, and then dropped at market open again down here to this 175. And we can see we kind of just range inside this zone that I have drawn up here. We can see I have this trend line here. We can see that it's been getting rejected every time off this trend line, so it's a good indicator. I got our support right here at 170. We can see they did release some other news. They issued common stock to reduce debt burden at the end of the day on the 12th, and we can see not much happened after that. We kind of just ranged after hours, undecided. We opened up, we hit off this trend line again, we range, hit off the trend line, and we range, and we're just chilling right here at $1.74. So let's go ahead and get right into the technicals. I'm going to go ahead and draw my support and resistance. We got our resistance up here at 187. We got our support down here at $1.70, and we got our median right here at about $1.78. Now let's go ahead and zoom in. Now, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and set an alert here at $1.87, and I'm using this trading program, which is free. You can find the link in the description. It emails me, it sends me a pop-up, and it notifies me on the app of when this stock passes that point. So that way I don't have to sit here and watch this stock all day waiting for it to pass that point, because what I want to see is I want to see that momentum return. Before I enter, I want to see that momentum return. I want to see us break above this VWAP that's swinging in here. I want to see us break above this moving average and then above this median, of course. But I'm not going to enter there. What I want to see next is I want to, again, I have my alert set up here at 187. So the next thing we would want to have happen is we want to see that momentum kick back up and push us above here, and then our alert will go off when we pass that 187. So then we'll be able to know exactly when that happens. And then this is when I start watching and getting interested for a potential trade. And what I do is I don't just hop into this trade after we pass this point. The next thing I do, now that I have the indication we are continuing higher, I need confirmation. So what I do is I go ahead and wait for my confluence factors to line up, and I wait for the setup to give me a better opportunity. So what I want to see happen is I want to see us pull back, whether that's a 1 minute pullback, whether that's a 30-second pullback, whether that's a 5-minute pullback, whatever the case may be. We got to be watching it after it passes 187. That's why we set our alert. And then when I see that happen, I go ahead and, again, the reason I don't enter off, FOMO or hype is because I don't want to get stuck and it swing back down and fall back down here, and then I'm out all that money, right? We always want to get into house money. So again, what I do is I wait to see if it comes back down here and stabilizes on this 187. If I do see that stabilization, that we're looking at level 2, we're looking at the sell blocks. Is there any more big sellers? Is there big buyers? What are the candlesticks looking like? Do we have reversal candles? Right, we don't want to see selling going on. That's the biggest thing. We need confluence, right? So make sure to watch all your factors, whatever your own strategy calls for. I'm just giving you the basic setup here. I'm giving you the picture, what you need to watch for. Of course, this is just for education. This is not financial advice. Just keep that in mind. Because this is me just trying to teach you guys what you could do and what you can put into your strategy to make your strategy that much better. So again, what I do is I wait for it to pass 187. I wait for it to pull back, retest. When I see that stabilization, I'm watching level 2. I see a big buy come in, whatever the case may be. I see momentum come in. I go ahead and set a buy order right here above that pullback point, wherever that is. We'll just say here for the time being for this example. And then what happens is this way I can get the best entry possible. So when we push above that pullback point, there's a very high percentage chance that the momentum will push us higher, because there's other people trading this. When they see it push past that pullback point, they realize that we're not going to go lower in this immediate moment. So what happens is that momentum picks up and kicks us up here, and it probably pushes us up to about $2. And what I do is I personally sell 3/4 of my position, hold 1/4 to, of course, wait to see if either A, we repeat this same pattern here up here, or if B, we come back down here. That way I'm still in profit 3/4 and I can sell 1/4 here. It gives you a lot more options. Again, try to always plan house money, because you don't want to be risking your own money. So that's what I would be looking for come Monday. I know I was maybe saying tomorrow, but keep in mind that the stock market is closed on the weekend, so we'll go ahead and wait for Monday to come, and we'll be going ahead and watch this main level here at 187. This will be absolutely crucial for the bulls. Make sure to set your alert for this level here at 187, and you can get this trading program. Just click the link in my description. I really appreciate the support. It's free. You don't need to pay for anything, but you can get market data, and it is very convenient. I use it all the time for all my trades. You can open up any chart you want at all, so it's great. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please click that like button and make sure to subscribe and click the bell notification. That way you know exactly when I come up with new videos like this, so you can be ready for the next big trade. All right, everybody, don't forget to share this with your friends on Facebook, StockTwits, and Twitter. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful weekend. See you Monday.